What's going on, guys? EJT here and welcome back to the channel. Today we are 11 days away from the Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets opening at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney gave us a fantastic look at some of the things they have been working on over the past several weeks. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we have some brand new photos of some of the retheming and the decorating they have done for the Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets with a complete Muppet takeover, and I am absolutely loving the colors. It just feels so Muppets. You have the guitar, which looks absolutely phenomenal with all the different colors, and of course the poster in the back. And then we have the piano there as well, which is looking fantastic. Then, of course, they painted the car that was kind of flipped upside down at the entrance to a Muppets theme with the license plate now also reading Muppets as well, which looks fantastic. And just the whole front of this building, front of this attraction really just looks phenomenal, and they just did an awesome job with the decorating, in my opinion. And then inside we got the first images of some of the animatronics for this ride, with the scooter animatronic looking phenomenal, as well as two penguin animatronics as well, with the G-Force headphones on as well, which is such a cool small little detail. They really left no stone unturned on the details for this one. And we also got this amazing clip of the animatronics, so check this out.
Can you just, Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone. Don't worry, Kermit, the mayhem will be there. Though I have no idea how.
Guys, to be honest with you, I wasn't super excited about the Muppets taking over this attraction, but after that video, I really did start to get pumped and can't wait to ride it when I'm there on May 26th. It just looks so good. The animatronics move so well, and for Scooter, they actually put him in a motion capture suit to really pick up the real movements of the puppeteer using him. So it is such a cool and fantastic job by Disney Imagineering. And honestly, the turnaround of making this happen in only a couple months has been phenomenal to see, as well as Disney's gotten a lot of slack over the years for some slow construction and rethemes. But man, they look absolutely phenomenal. And of course, there's still a bunch of stuff they haven't showed us inside, which is going to be super cool. And of course, we have to talk about the merchandise and the food cart by the Swedish chef that is going to be available right near the ride as well. So let's dive right into some of these images and descriptions from the Disney Parks blog, with the first item on there being the Waka Woking Nachos. This savory selection perfectly combines corn chips, queso blanco, and tomatoes with just the right amount of guacamole. It's a great option to get the taste buds rocking and rolling. Then we have the churro drumstick, which is a twisted churro tossed in mixed berry sugar and then topped with a raspberry sauce and assorted sprinkles, with a side of chocolate sauce as well. Then we have the Mayhem soft serve float, which is a frozen Fanta blue raspberry with vanilla soft serve that's topped with some pink cotton candy. Then they have the pink lemonade, which is a Minute Maid premium lemonade with guava for a little glitz and glam worth of Miss Piggy herself. There's a sprinkle of pink shimmer mixed in. Then moving on from that, the Pond Water Limeade sounds wonderful. Kermit Frog himself deliciously brings together Minute Maid premium limeade, green apple, and fruit juice filled with pearls. So that sounds pretty good. And then some additional snacks they're going to have: a mini corn dog, chocolate chip cookies, assorted chips, vanilla chocolate or swirl waffle cone, frozen floats with Coca-Cola or root beer, fountain sodas, and a frozen blue raspberry. So food by the Swedish chef sounds amazing, with some great drinks and snacks to try, whether it's before riding the Rock and Roller Coaster or after. And now we got to dive into, of course, the new merchandise going to be sold after the ride. And of course, we have a Muppet tea set with a couple of different designs that you guys can check out here, with Kermit and Miss Piggy. You got the G-Force records, which looks amazing as well. Muppet Labs, the Anti-Fans, which could be a hint of them coming back for the ride. We'll have to wait and see about that. I saw a note by Scott Gustin on X who kind of hinted maybe that's a tie-in there. And just some really cool ride shirts that I think looks phenomenal. Look at this poster version of the Muppets with the Mayhem crew on it. Just looks phenomenal. There's also going to be a button-up shirt as well from Roosevelt's, which looks fantastic. You got a nice Muppets Rockin' Rollercoaster baseball hat here as well. And then, of course, some youth t-shirts and women's t-shirts. And then some other really cool merchandise pieces with the license plate. You have a poster of the attraction. Of course, some pins as well. And then, of course, for you Loungefly fans out there, this really awesome Muppets guitar Loungefly that you can pick up there as well. And then, of course, a Muppets sticker set will be available as well. And last but not least, the Muppets drumsticks, which are going to be a great collectible souvenir, they say. They're super colorful and fun and ready to help you jam to the beat wherever you may go. So some really amazing updates for this attraction. I will be there just in 11 days to go check this thing out and report back to you guys with some on-ride footage and just my overall thoughts and review. So make sure if you're new here, smash the like button first on this video and subscribe to the channel. But I'm really looking forward to checking out this version of the ride, and I'm really starting to get excited for it. Let me know in the comment section what you think of all these pictures and videos that they have released so far, as well as the merchandise and food items as well. And as always, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.